around us is changing. Flying cars, artificial intelligence, instant messaging, and life on space stations all seemed impossible 100 years ago. So what could be waiting for us in another 50 years? We promise you won't have to wait long to find out.
My name is Kate.
And I'm Talish.
And we're gonna tell you about the future.
Which starts today.
Robots are taking our jobs.
Some other group is waiting for me there.
What? No, answer the question.
Alright, people. The future is now, not tomorrow. So, this weekend I went over a couple stock and charts, and I stumbled across one of the stock that people have been discussing about. Is called SONASOFT. The ticker is SSFT. This is an over-the-counter stock. So if your broker don't provide you to buy OTC stock, then you're probably gonna miss out this play. But I look at the chart and I look at the fundamental as well as the business of a company, and I really like it. I really do. Even I don't really invest or buy a lot of OTC stock, but I think this is gonna be probably a game changer. Probably this is gonna be the one that has a lot of upside potential in the future. So this is the website of the company, SONASOFT.com, and basically the company provide the business the software as well as the AI solution to cut down the cost. For example, if you have a business and let's say you spend $3 million on some kind of project, and now you come up with this company and say, you know what, can you do something about it to reduce the cost? And this company step in using their AI technology to provide the company requested, and probably going to save that company money in terms of human resource, human power, salary, or several tasks that require human involvement. So eventually, that makes sense. Instead of spending $3 million on a budget for some kind of project, I rather pay this company $1 million, and then I save $2 million, and then this company will generate another $1 million for their own company. So which means that it works out both ways, win-win situation, right? And AI is going to be the future. I'm looking at the competitions of this company. It's called AIXT. This is a website of AIXT. This company also doing a lot of robotic assistant devices, and also RAM, autonomous mobile robot. That's going to be the future as well. People talk about like self-driving car, drones, stuff like that. So that's going to be the future as well. Now this one, I did a little comparison report, and I'll show you guys later. And then I'll tell you which one is undervalued, which one is a little bit overvalued compared to the others. Now, a couple headlines on SONASOFT for the past couple months that I've seen. The latest one was SONASOFT helped one of the companies to save $1.3 million. Also, 7 months ago, it reported in a fully audited revenue of $13.3 million. So that's some revenue, some real legit revenues. Now that revenue increased around 12.6%. I'm sorry, 12.6 times, which means increased almost 13,000% from the previous year. That's pretty cool. That's really good. And then I went over the balance sheet, and here is the example of the AIXT balance sheet versus the SONASOFT, which is in the same category of the artificial intelligence products. And here it is. The balance sheet is like this. So AIXT market cap right now $695 million. SONASOFT $110 million. Now 2020 revenue, AIXT generate around $261,000 versus SONASOFT made $11 million. The cash balance, AIXT has $250,000. SONASOFT had $1.2 million. Now, this is important. Debt. AIXT still have a lot of debt, 8.3 million. This guy right here, SONASOFT has around 300,000 in debt. Also, in terms of share, AIXT has around 2.9 billion share. Now, SONASOFT has 472 million share. So, if you look across the board, you can compare between the two. So, market cap. So, this company is smaller than AIXT, but generate 5 times more in revenue. And now, the cash balance almost 5 times more than AIXT. And also less debt than AIXT. And less share than AIXT. But they have the same freaking number in terms of share price. 123 cent, the other one 24 cent. So tell me which one is a bargain. Tell me which one has more upside potential, right? And also AIXT, because it has balance is $250,000, so it's probably gonna have some offering coming up if it start going up. Just saying, you never know, right? Now, fundamentally, I went over already. Look at the chart right now in technical. I'm more on technical analysis. So right now it formed a kind of bull flag right now at this area in terms of price actions. Right now it's 23 cents. I can see this one go back to 35 and even 48 cents, which is an all-time high a while ago. And if it's break 45 cents, I can see this one go to $1 and even $2. Who knows? And if it's break $2, the price is gonna be to the fucking moon, to be honest, right? Just like, Wall Street bets it to the fucking moon. Anyway, so that's the price target I have. What is my plan? My plan is gonna be like this. I'm gonna wait and see how it trade tomorrow on Tuesday, February 16th, and upcoming days. If it dip into 20 cents, I'm gonna buy a lot of it, right? If it run out of the gate, run really high, I'm gonna watch for some pullback intraday. During the day, people will just come in and take profit. I'm gonna step in and buy it. If it's hit my target 0.48 or double my money, I'm gonna sell it and then leave the rest, like half, run for the future. Maybe, who knows, in 10 years this could be, like 10, 20 times more than the money I put in. So that is my plan. Alright, anyway, been talking a little bit too much here, so have a nice day, and I wish you guys have a good trading week. And remember, this is over-the-counter stock, so you don't want to go all in this as any stock. I never go all in any stock. I always diversify. If this one doesn't work, I have another one work for me, back me up, so that I don't lose all my money, right? So anything involved in stock always have a risk. So know your risk before you buy in it. And I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. And if it's working out for you, good. Subscribe and follow. Thank you.